Which lives longer, the Galapagos tortoise or the parrot? It's the Galapagos tortoise. Which can jump higher, the kangaroo or the flea? The answer is flea. Which has more teeth, the shark or the crocodile? If you guessed shark, you're right. They have tons of teeth. Which is louder, the lion or the howler monkey? The loudest of them all is howler monkey. Which is heavier, the polar bear or the Kodiak? Bear? The answer is Kodiak bear. Which has a stronger bite, the crocodile or the hyena? If you guessed crocodile, you're correct. Its bite is super powerful.